The Battle of Tora Bora, a crucial episode within the larger context of Operation Enduring Freedom, took place in December 2001. Operation Enduring Freedom was the United States-led response to the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks, primarily targeting al-Qaeda and the Taliban regime in Afghanistan. Tora Bora, located in the White Mountains near the Afghanistan-Pakistan border, became a significant target due to its association with high-ranking al-Qaeda leaders, including Osama bin Laden. In the aftermath of the 9/11 attacks, the United States and its coalition partners initiated military action against the Taliban regime in Afghanistan, who harbored and supported al-Qaeda. Intelligence agencies, particularly the Central Intelligence Agency, played a crucial role in gathering information about the locations and hideouts of al-Qaeda and Taliban operatives. Tora Bora, a complex of caves and tunnels in the White Mountains, was believed to be a stronghold of al-Qaeda. Intelligence suggested that Osama bin Laden, the mastermind behind the 9/11 attacks, might be hiding there. To plan the assault on Tora Bora, precise intelligence on the layout of the complex, the number of defenders, and the surrounding terrain was crucial. The primary objective of the Battle of Tora Bora was to locate and neutralize al-Qaeda leadership, including Osama bin Laden, and eradicate their operational capabilities. The plan involved employing ground forces, airstrikes, and special operations to breach the complex and engage the enemy. Coordination and intelligence sharing among various units and countries were vital for the success of the mission. The United States Special Operations Forces played a pivotal role in planning and executing the operation. Special forces, such as the Green Berets and Delta Force, were extensively involved due to their expertise in unconventional warfare and counterterrorism operations. The operational plan included a combination of airstrikes to soften the defenses and ground assaults to engage and clear the complex. Airstrikes were intended to weaken the enemy's positions, disrupt communications, and destroy defensive fortifications. Ground forces would then advance to secure the area and capture or neutralize al-Qaeda operatives. A critical aspect of planning was ensuring adequate logistics and supply lines to sustain the troops throughout the operation. Given the rugged mountainous terrain of Tora Bora, ensuring a steady flow of ammunition, food, water, and medical supplies to the troops on the ground was essential for their effectiveness and survival during the battle. Collaboration with Afghan forces and local tribal militias was an integral part of the plan. Afghan allies were utilized for their knowledge of the terrain and familiarity with the local culture, providing crucial intelligence and support in the fight against al-Qaeda and the Taliban. The Battle of Tora Bora began in early December 2001, with intense aerial bombings targeting al-Qaeda positions in the mountainous complex. The airstrikes aimed to weaken defenses and disrupt communication and supply lines. As the bombardment continued, ground forces advanced, including U.S. Special Forces and Afghan fighters. Their mission was to encircle and isolate the al-Qaeda and Taliban militants hiding in the Tora Bora complex. The rugged and inhospitable terrain posed a significant challenge for both air and ground operations. The mountains of Tora Bora were characterized by steep slopes, deep valleys, and an extensive network of caves and tunnels. These natural defenses allowed the enemy to entrench themselves and presented difficulties for conventional military tactics. Specialized mountain warfare training became crucial for effective maneuvering and combat. Once the encirclement was established, ground forces began engaging in close-quarters combat, entering the caves and tunnels to root out the entrenched enemy. This phase of the operation required specialized skills, and tactics to navigate the narrow, dark tunnels and engage the enemy effectively. It was dangerous and demanded precision, and discipline to minimize casualties. Effective communication and coordination between ground troops, air support, and command centers were paramount. Special operations teams utilized advanced communication equipment to maintain contact and relay critical information about enemy positions, movement, and other relevant intelligence. Quick and accurate sharing of data facilitated more targeted airstrikes and informed ground operations. Counterterrorism strategies included isolating pockets of resistance using snipers to neutralize key targets, and employing explosive ordnance disposal teams to handle booby traps, and improvised explosive devices. These tactics were critical in reducing the enemy's effectiveness and advancing through the complex. Throughout the battle, intelligence gathering remained a high priority. Special operations teams gathered information on the layout of the cave complex, enemy numbers, and possible locations of high-value targets. This intelligence was used to plan targeted strikes, focusing on key defensive positions and leadership concentrations within the Tora Bora complex. The Battle of Tora Bora was a protracted and grueling engagement, characterized by fierce resistance from the al-Qaeda and Taliban fighters. Ground forces remained engaged in sustained operations, meticulously clearing the caves and tunnels, often facing determined opposition. As the battle progressed, the enemy's defenses were gradually eroded, and key al-Qaeda leaders were either captured or killed. The Battle of Tora Bora demonstrated the challenges of asymmetric warfare and the importance of specialized training and coordination in such environments. It emphasized the necessity of combining intelligence, precise airstrikes, ground operations, and cooperation with local allies for success in complex, mountainous terrains. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon in next video.